this video I'm going to talk about how hydrochloric acid reacts with different metals, and I have some metals that I'm going to use. I have magnesium, I have zinc, I have copper, and I have iron. So I have 4 metals that I'm going to use. So I'm going to redirect them to hydrochloric acid. Then I also have 4 test tube and a test tube black. And the other thing that I'm having is a spatula. So I'm going to do the reaction of metals with hydrochloric acid. So for the first test, I'm going to place 2 cubic centimeters of hydrochloric acid into the test tube. Then I'll add a small portion of magnesium into the test tube. So this is the reaction. So when any metal reacts when any metal reacts with an acid, the products that are produced here is salt plus hydrogen gas. So the products that are being produced here is magnesium chloride plus hydrogen gas. So the bubbles that you can see that are being produced, they just indicate hydrogen gas. And this reaction, it's very fast, as you can see what's happening in the test tube. So I'll just put this test tube on the test tube black. I'll get a second test tube and I'll do my second test. So I'll place 2 cubic centimeters of hydrochloric acid. Then I'll add a portion of zinc into the test tube. So if you mix zinc with hydrochloric acid, the reaction is also possible, and the products that are being produced is hydrogen gas plus zinc chloride. As you can see, the reaction is taking place in the test tube. Then I'll do my third test. I'll place 2 cubic centimeters of hydrochloric acid into the test tube. Then I'll place copper into the same test tube that is containing 2 cubic centimeters of hydrochloric acid. So as you can see in the test tube, there is no reaction. So when you mix hydrochloric acid with copper, the reaction the reaction won't take place, and the reason is because copper has no that capacity to displace hydrogen gas from the acid. Because if you draw up your reactivity series, copper is found down hydrogen. So when you write hydrogen, then other metals that come below, we have copper, zinc and gold. So when these metals they are mixed with hydrochloric acid, the reaction is not possible because they don't have that capacity to displace hydrogen gas from the acid. And the last test, I'll do the same. I'll place 2 cubic centimeters of hydrochloric acid to the test tube. Then I'll add iron to the test tube. So this reaction it's very slow. Small bubbles are being produced at a small rate, but the reaction is very much possible. So when iron reacts with acid, it produces iron chloride plus hydrogen gas. So from these 4 test tubes, I can say when I had to do the first test, this test was very fast, because hydrogen gas was being produced at a faster rate. Coming to the second test tube, where I had to use zinc, this reaction was also fast, but it wasn't fast. It was not as fast as that one, which I had to do with the first test, which involved magnesium. So which means zinc is not more reactive than magnesium. Then my third test, I had to use copper. So where I had to use copper, the reaction wasn't possible, and the reason is very simple. When copper is mixed with hydrochloric acid, the reaction is not possible. Then for the last test tube, I had to use iron. So where I had to use iron, this reaction was very slow. So placing these metals according to their reactivity, or according to which one is more reactive, I can say that magnesium is more reactive than the other 3 metals. Magnesium is more reactive according to this experiment you have seen for yourselves. Then the second metal that can come is zinc. The third metal that can come is iron, and the last metal that can come is copper, although copper does not react with hydrochloric acid. Thank you.